Hello and welcome to another Capra tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over how to uninstall the strap from the Kithara and install the Capra Strap in its place. So it's a bit complicated and it requires two different bit types. So this is a Torx 6 sized bit, and you just unscrew the singular screw on both sides. Don't lose that because we'll need it. Okay, so you've got your back panels here, and then the front panels are still attached to the strap. So that's when we change bits to a size 0 Phillips head bit. It's tiny little Phillips head screws right there. Two of them on either side that need taken out. Do not lose these, they're very tiny. If you lose these, we will lose the ability to adjust the headphone on your head. So then it's a little panel that comes out like so. It's got a metal plate on the back that comes off pretty easily, so be wary of that, because if that comes off, these two balls are going to come out, and then we will again lose the ability to adjust our headphones. So you're going to want to push the strap in as far as you can, and then you see that metal rod that's protruding? You got to push that metal rod out the side, set that down, and now the strap comes off. I'll do that on the other side too. I'll take those two little Phillips head screws out. And take the panel off, push the strap through more, and come on, more. The first time I did this was a pain, so you may also experience some problems, because it is a tight fit. Come on. Come on. It's like not angled high enough to get past it. There we go. Okay. All right. And then you can take the strap off. And then here's where we're going to mix things up. We're going to reassemble this. So I'm going to take that panel, put it back in here with the two itty bitty Phillips head screws, because the Capra strap mounts below this, not in it. There just wasn't enough room. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we're putting this on the correct side. And this piece over here, there. I'll go back to that T6 Torx bit. And screw it down nice and snug. If you're still using the stock strap and you're running into problems where the adjustment mechanism just slides around too easily, just tighten the screw. It will affect the tension on the balls that adjust the height. So I need to go back to the Phillips head bit and reassemble these. You don't want to over tighten those because they are threading into the piece itself. And you'll end up stripping things if you over tighten it. Okay. Struggle bus here, trying to film and screw. Come on, let's go. Because of this process, this is one of my more difficult to install straps, so be wary of that. All right, now you take the strap. It's got an angled end. You want to match up the angles with the sides of the headband. So it just wraps around like that, sits underneath of this piece. There you go. Capra strap installed. Now take these 2 pins that you extracted and the strap itself, put that in a Ziploc bag, put it in your closet somewhere just in case you want to go back to it at some point. But yeah, enjoy.